about the future, flowing with expectation. Rising hopes for life. Makes us drift into a defiance. Spread out goodness and livelihood. For us, at different places were places to discover new things to us. Begin with affected and firm. Deliver from upstream to downstream calmly. Every trip was exhorted, fulfill and various needs. As preparation in every circle, and that is none other than water. The basis of life is water. From that we live and survive. We learn the meaning of the adventure and reaching dreams. Into the future.